Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic. Yeah, our coin. Now, April 2nd has been chosen as the next day. LUNC is going to experience a massive burn once again. Binance have chosen April 2nd. We are expecting the biggest rise, biggest move. I believe this April 2nd, more Terra Classic can be burned than what was burned this month. Okay, yes, Binance burned about 4.5 billion, and I believe by April 2nd we are expecting something over 20 billion, something over 25 billion. In fact, for me, I want to see 50 billion bonds. That is going to be one of the biggest news. If Binance will burn 50 billion coins of Terra Classic LUNC. Well, April 2nd is the day the next burning will be coming up. So let's keep on pushing, let's keep on supporting Terra Classic. And by April 2nd, I'm expecting billions of Terra Classic to be taken out, billions of Terra Classic to be destroyed, billions of Terra Classic to be burned by Binance. And I believe this is going to be more positive. It's going to create more positive impact than this month. Okay, this month Binance didn't burn much, but I believe we are hoping for next month Binance to really cross all boundaries in the area of burning Terra Classic coin. Once again, please remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video. April 2nd is the next date for Terra Classic. Binance to burn Terra Classic LUNC coin.